Truly, is October 4th, 2025. This day, everything did immediate work. Siren check with fire ground with the evacuation channel. Look, time's gonna change. It's gonna start.
Listen to it over here. Let's go.
No!
I'm gonna listen to it. And why are you wearing those things if you don't want to listen to that?
Look, can you go, please?
Can I go outside?
No, you can't.
I'm gonna go around there.
Don't go, please.
Go. Go listen to it. Go.
Tell me the time starts. You hear it, Daddy?
Yes, I hear that. It's not so loud.
Can you shut up and listen? Just stay alive. Don't record me! Don't record me! One more signal. That's good. So. That's good. The road is shut spinning. That's good.